This is bugging the shit out of me right now. Look at they all walking past. Nobody's clapping for her. Look. The Africans are like, what is she doing? Excuse me. Can you not dance here? What are you doing?
Could you stop kicking up all the dirt?
Kicking up the dirt. First you take our resources, then you take our land. Now you are wasting our time with your TikToks. Please, get out of here. You're not even dancing correctly. My daughter can beat you and she's only 8 years old.
The South Africans, then known as Ụmụ Chi Aka Igbo Shoto,